Hi, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com, and in this quick video today I'm just going to show you how I'm going to use the drywall lift to install the top sheet on a wall. So one thing that I had to do, well, the only thing you have to do to modify this to do that, and it's not really modification, you just need to tighten this bolt down here. It keeps these support brackets from flipping too easily. So just tighten those up and your lift is converted over to hang the wall sheets. Now it's not going to work obviously for the lower row, just for the top row. So you see, normally these would be loose enough you can flip them out of the way, and if they're that loose they flip out of there right now under the weight of the sheet. That's why you need to tighten that up. Tighten the sheet up to the ceiling. In my case, I've got to go down to that wall. Perfect. I'm ready to screw that sheet off. That was a 14-foot sheet, by the way, all by myself. Hardest part is getting it on the lift by yourself. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, go check out all our videos, man. We got lots of hints like this. Not all our videos are this short, but there's a lot of information in them.